Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal and it is the fourth largest state by population and 14th largest state by area or the territory. And what are the crops they grow in West Bengal? First is tea, then rice and jute are extensively grown in West Bengal. In large number, they grow tea, rice and jute. And jute mills in West Bengal produces bags, ropes, carpets, etc. And fishing is the main occupation here. In West Bengal, fishing is the main occupation and main festival is Durga Puja. How we celebrate the Dasara in Karnataka, similarly they celebrate Durga Puja in West Bengal. So West Bengal is is located in eastern part of India and its capital is Kolkata and it is the fourth largest by fourth largest state by population and 14th largest state by territory. And Durga Puja is the main festival of the West Bengal and fishing is the main occupation and the jute mills is the which is found in West Bengal. They produce or they manufacture the bags, ropes and carpets which are used for the house purpose and as well as the other agricultural activities. Ropes, bags for carrying purpose and all those things they are carried out. Tea, rice, jute are the extensively grown in West Bengal. So children, now coming to the last state, that is Assam. Assam is located in the northeast part of India and its capital is Dispur, spelling Dispur. Dispur is its capital. Assam capital is Dispur. It is located in the northeast part of India and the official language which they speak is Assamese. Assami is the official language they speak and Bihu dance is one of the famous dance in the Assam. And besides this, rice, jute, tea is also grown in the Assam state. Jute, rice, they grow tea as a main crop. And Assam is famous for its tea garden. What is it famous for? It's famous for tea garden. And like Durga Puja in West Bengal, Bihu is the main festival of Assam. And it is famous for Assam silk and Assam tea. And it is also famous for wildlife. And coming to the festival, Bihu is the main festival of Assam, is it? So Bihu is celebrated as a spring festival which is related to the agriculture. And they pray for the sun god and to thank for the god and to have more yield in the yield to get more yield of crops and it is a beginning of Assamese New Year and during and one of the festival which is celebrated to represent the harvest season. So how we celebrate the Sankranti festival in the same way Bihu is also a part of the agricultural festival and it is a beginning of the Assamese New Year. So students, through this mind map will glance over about this chapter. So basically in today's and in this chapter, that is in the fourth chapter, Northern Plains, it is one of the landforms you can say and it is considering the three main rivers. One is Satluj, Brahmaputra, Ganga river. And the Brahmaputra river basin is located in Assam. The Ganga river basin is located passes through Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Bihar. And the Satluj river basin originates from the Punjab and Haryana. And we also saw different states, occupation, crops, festival, famous dishes and where it is located. All those things we saw in this chapter. So with this I conclude the chapter and children please go through the points and make a note of it in your homework book and complete the worksheet as of the day and be safe and be healthy. Thank you.